2018 Elite Football 2-box picker team number 5. Appreciate you guys hopping in. Veteran base cards do not ship in this. Veteran base does not ship. Actually, I'm going to do this for a second. Clean that junk off. From Bowman. Blowman. Elite Football. 1 on-card pen pals in each box. Vet base does not ship. Vet base does not ship. Jamon Moore to $6.99 rookie for the Packers. Matt Ryan to $2.99 Falcons. First hit going out to Tony Romo and the Cowgirls. Craftsman jersey for Dallas. Leighton Vander Esch numbered to 199 Dallas. Nice. Insert. Numbered 11 out of 25 Cam Newton, Carolina Panthers. Kenyon Drake numbered to 299. Riley Ferguson. On-card pen pals. Kiki, black ink for the Texans. Houston going out to Richard W. Drew Brees numbered to 299. Kiki to 699, Rodney Harrison. Joshua Jackson, numbered to 85 for the Packers. For the Rams, rookie, this guy, 22 out of 24. Rookie pink parallel, die cut Rams. Insert Jalen Ramsey to 299 for the Jags. Darius Slay to 299 for the Lions. Tom Brady insert. Oh, the 25, Back to the Future, Patty Mahomes for the Chiefs. Chris Mill, you're a beast, Chris. 19 out of 25, Patty Mahomes. That's what I'm talking about. Chris is probably sleeping. He'll see this in the morning. He'll be pumped. 19 out of 25, Patty Mahomes, Back to the Future, Elite Football. Don't sleep on the two boxers. Do not sleep on the two boxers. It makes it a cheaper buy-in. They're all come from the same cases, man. The 299 Favre and Aaron Rodgers face-to-face. We'll have to do a random on that one. 699 Josh Adams. Big Ben insert, base and base. Mahomes sucks. Adam Thielen to 299, Minnesota. 699, Jerome Baker. Insert. Naheem Hines, number 299 for the Colts, turn of the century rookie autograph. Colts, Thomas R. Derek Carr, purple, numbered to 75, Raiders. Jordan Howard, numbered to 299, Bears. Jameis Winston, 1/1 for the Bucks. Two good boxes right there. 1/1 black parallel, Bucks going out to Alex. Oh, Alex, you like the Bucks and you like Jameis Winston, don't you? Yeah, I'm pretty sure you do, man. There you go, 1/1. Hopefully that's a PC 1/1. There you go, my friend. 1/1. Do not sleep on the two boxers. Yeah, we got that Let's Go Bucks shirt on, right? Wrong Bucks. All right, there you go, man. 1/1. Famous Jameis Crab Legs Winston. And we still have the on-card draft, on-card pen pals to come too for the auto. Let's see what we got here. 299, Delaney Walker. Wow, you gotta be shitting me, man. Baker Mayfield. Do not sleep on the two boxers. Robert F is a beast. Pen pals, Baker Mayfield on card. Wow, talk about the best two-box break you've ever seen. Talk about the best two-box break you have ever seen in your life. That's a couple hundo. Too bad Baker sucks. Come on, who do you like, Presley? Oh, I know who you like. Tom Brady insert. Derek Carr, red to 99, Raiders. Rosen to 399. Come on. Baker Mayfield on card, man. That is crazy. Jimmy Graham to 99 purple for the Packers. Big Ben insert. $6.99. Ravens rookie. Ferguson. Number to 299. Ryan Tannehill. Craftsman jersey. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Last up, number to 99, Joshua Jackson, rookie for the Packers. Talk about the best two-box break you have seen. I will throw another Elite up, and I will throw up another Prism and another Elite football up. We're not going to run them tonight, but I will do it to have them for probably tomorrow, I would imagine. What the Baker Mayfield already hooked you up, man. It's already in there. Already got you hooked up, man. One, two, three left, team 4, 5, 6 right. 3, that one's going to the Vikings. Rosen to 399. This guy for the Rams to 24. Cam Newton to 25. T.Y. Hilton. Tony Romo. Naheem Hines to 99. Turn of the century. Kiki on card. Black ink pen pals. 1/1. Jameis Winston. Black base for the Bucks. Patty Mahomes, 19 out of 25, Chiefs. Baker to Mayfield on card, Pen Pals, black ink for the Brownies. Robert F. 2018 Elite Football, 2-box. Pick your team number 5. The best 2-box that you'll find, man. 2-box break. That was crazy.